Lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek. Please don't give me hype.
Than your favorite bad bitch, turned the whole world into a savage. Middle finger in all of my pictures just to remind y'all I ain't having it. I'm the baddest bitch. You wanna fight a body, put them in the booth. I bet I take the title. All of these hoes my sheet married.
What's good, queens? Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do makeup for you guys. It's been a minute since I've done makeup, especially a foundation routine. This is an updated routine. I have changed everything in my foundation, or most things. Anyways, if you want to see the items that I use, just continue watching this video. Before we get into this video, subscribe to my channel. Come join the Emmy gang. Because if you're on this side, you already know. All my subbies that's been here since day one was good. I see you. And all my new subbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos, and I hope you guys get acquainted. Talk to me. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. All my social media is gonna be down in the description box below. So just click the link, get acquainted with me, follow me, I'll follow you back. And we're gonna get straight into this video. No more time for talking. And yeah, let's get right into this video, y'all.
Alright, y'all, so let's get started. I already cleansed my skin. It's glowing. Yes, smooth too. And I did my brows already off camera. You know, I restart there. And I'm taking my 24 karat gold primer. I'm rubbing that in my skin. I love this product. It gives soak. So I'm putting concealer underneath my eyes because, you know, they're a little dark. And I do that now as my new thing. I put it in my dark areas just because I want to, like, you know, conceal those areas. It's good to conceal those areas before putting in foundation because it just gives a good, flawless look. So you're going to blend that out. Blend for your life, girl. So I'm taking my 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐚𝐥, and as you can see, I need more. It's time to order some more. Or if you could, suggest a good foundation that is pretty new and put it in the comments down below. And I'm going to try it for y'all. Well, I'm going to try it for myself and y'all too, and give y'all my reaction to it. So when I use foundation, I'm also using my e.l.f. facial oil. And I like to put that on my face with my foundation when blending it together, because it makes my skin smooth. It gives it like some kind of like moisture to my skin when I'm blending those two products together. So to highlight, I'm using my 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐴 concealer and my e.l.f. concealer. So the 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐴 concealer, I love this product because it matches my skin like spot on. That's what I like about 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐴, period. Like, it just matches my skin. I don't have to worry about buying numerous products to figure out what matches me. And I like the concealer because it gives a natural type of like highlight. I also like adding the e.l.f. concealer to give it like a brighter effect under my eye, as you see me doing here. I like to use brushes to blend my makeup because I feel like it doesn't take product off of my face as I'm blending. I feel like beauty blenders do that, but I do like to finish with a beauty blender depending on how I feel to give me a finished look. But I feel like the brushes they do the job just right. So I'm highlighting the areas, whatever, and what I do is I take the brush that I use for my foundation, and I like to go over it a little bit to, like, you know, blend it together, make sure it's matching, make sure you don't see where the lines start and where they finish. So I forgot to do my nose, so I'm highlighting my nose and all that good stuff. And yeah, you're just gonna see me blend everything out. So I didn't put it on camera, but I'm using my Fenty setting powder in honey, and I actually love this product. I'm always using this product. I don't really know any other setting powders that's really good for my skin tone. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below, and I would love to try it out. I do need to re-up on my products when it comes to makeup, but these are my faves. So I'm using the black opal. I'm using this to contour my face. Get this 5 head to look like a 4 head. Get this double chin to look like 1. And I'm snatching this nose. You already know. So what I like to do is snatch on my nose. If you could just see what I'm doing, I just give myself a little shape. I like this shape because it gives me a cute little button nose. And I just blend everything out. And I'm using the back of my beauty blender to blend that out. I actually like to blend out my contour with a beauty blender or a sponge. So I usually use a small sponge to blend this out, but I couldn't find this, so I used the tippy top corner of my sponge, and I just got to work. You got to use what you have sometimes. Sometimes you might not have everything, or you can't find something, and you just got to use what you got and just go for it, girl. So I'm just using my powder to, like, you know, define my nose and just get it looking super snatched. And I'm also setting, because I did do my eyeshadow. That video is going to be up soon, so look out for it. And so I'm using my True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark, and I'm setting my cream contour. And, like, this is my favorite part, because it's like I get to see where my face is snatched and everything just comes together. Because when it's just a highlight, you just be looking bright and it just be feeling like it's not right. But you got to trust the process. You really got to trust it, because it's going to come together. So I'm just blending all that out. See how my 5 head turns into a 4 head? Like, you see how that goes? Yes. Snatch that nose. Yes. Like, you got to make yourself look snatched. So I'm dusting all the powder away, getting it all off my face. I baked. I don't bake for that long. I bake for a little bit. I basically sat and baked for maybe 5 minutes, not even 2 minutes, and I just wipe it off. So I'm using my blush, and I need some suggestions, ladies, on some good blushes that's for my skin tone. I feel like an orange type of blush is good for me. Let me know in the comments down below what's good for me, because I really feel like this pink is giving, but it's just not giving for me all the time. I feel like I want to get different looks when it comes to blushes. And I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray to set everything in place. Yes, it's giving. Neck matches my face. I love it. You know me, I gotta eat my ice. Gotta do a little ice dance. Yes. Alright, so the highlighter I wasn't able to get on camera, but this highlighter is from my girl. Her name of her company is Goddess Game, and you have to check her stuff out. I love this highlight. It's giving everything. It actually looks very silver on the brush, but when you put it on, it gives like a glow to it. The name of it is White Gold. So I'm just blending it out, making sure it looks good, you know, and all that good stuff. I gotta do my nose, and this is like, you see when you put the highlighter on your nose, it gives you the button nose effect. That's why you gotta contour your nose all snatched. Gotta put it on my Cupid's bow, so when I put on my lip gloss, it's looking good. And this is the finished look, you guys. It is giving. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video.